I'm at Wild by Nature and I'm getting coffee. Wild by Nature is the only place in the area where you can get organic, fresh brewed. Today we have this $6 off. Normally I'll get this one, but I want to do a taste comparison. If you can see the color difference. Let's put them right next to each other. You can kind of see it already, right? Okay. I like my coffee like I like my women's. Hot and sweet. Vegan. This is called Canadian coffee, by the way. Learned about it from my ex in Ontario. Shout out to Canada. Okay, put a little mark on this so I know which one's which. Start with that. Okay. Next. There's definitely a difference in flavor. But which one's better? I actually think I like the lighter one better. They're both grade A organic. You know what I think it is? I think with the lighter one, I can taste the coffee more. I think that's what it is. Dark. Light. I don't know. I actually don't know anymore. Anyway, that's how you make a Canadian coffee. And since I learned how much coffee is sprayed with pesticides. I only get organic coffee. It's way out of my way to come here, but like I said, it's the only place around where you can get organic coffee, unless you want to make it at home. So, and that's the Canadian coffee, like I said. I'm 3 days into a no food fast, and I'm transitioning to a no sugar fast. So in a day or two, when this syrup's gone, I'll be doing just juice, and then I'll go from juice to just water. And if you have any questions about fasting, cleansing, health, fitness, or anything, go to masterluki.com. And food, I'm a chef. As you can see, some gourmet shit. I know kids gonna say, oh, coffee, syrup, parasites. We'll get there.